Hello everyone, this is my review of the Polk Atrium 8 speaker. The bass is deep and punchy, and the audio fills my entire backyard without distortion, even at higher volumes. What really sold me is its flexibility. You can use it as a single stereo speaker or pair it for true stereo sound. I went with a single unit at first, and it still delivered an incredibly immersive experience. Setup was straightforward, and the build feels rugged and premium. We've had rain, sun, and even a cold snap recently, and this speaker hasn't missed a beat. No cracking, no fading, just consistent, high-quality performance. Whether I'm entertaining guests or relaxing with a podcast, it delivers every time. I highly recommend for anyone serious about outdoor sound, and I hope this review helps.